Find or read reviews that people are talking of US Pool Supply Professional Heavy Duty 20 inches Swimming Pool Leaf Rake with Deep 16 inches Net Bag Fine Mesh Netting. Easy Scoop Edge Fast Cleaning, Debris Pickup Removal, Fits Standard Swimming Pool Pole. The recommended that you do not buy unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. US Pool Supply Professional Heavy Duty 20 inches Swimming Pool Leaf Rake with Deep 16 inches Net Bag Fine Mesh Netting, Easy Scoop Edge. Ideal rugged daily use pool rake for fast, easy and efficient cleanup of leaves and debris from pools. Fits standard size, 1-1/4 inches. Telescopic pool vacuum poles. Pole not included. The heavy-duty lightweight plastic molded frame is safe for use in all types of pools and it won't mar pool liners. Frame dimensions 20 inches wide x 12 inches long with a total length of 16 inches. Extra wide 17 inches net opening with a beveled leading edge that makes it easier to glide and maneuver it along the pool's bottom, while providing extra scooping power for faster and easier pool cleaning, which saves you cleaning time and effort. The 16 inches deep large volume netting bag combined with the scoop design allows it to collect more debris at a time, and is also very effective at holding the leaves within the net bag while maneuvering the rake throughout the pool. Netting is made of long-lasting chemical-resistant fine mesh nylon material. US Pool Supply is your online source for professional high-quality and affordable pool cleaning and maintenance supplies, pool accessories, and for pool recreational activity pool toys, floats and leisure lounges. We offer all the essential items needed to help residential pool owners care for and maintain their own pools, so they can eliminate the need for expensive scheduled pool service technicians. Our goal is to provide you the premium products you need to keep your pool clean and ready for use, so you can focus on what's most important: enjoying your pool. Thanks for watching. Emphasize once more. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. And all the links to everything we mention in this video, you can find linked in the description.